You saw The Great Dictator?
Yeah.
It's full of gags of that kind. When the plane is diving down, that's a gag. There's something very, not just intrinsically.
Right now, there are lots of very unnatural things that we are used to, and we don't bat an eyelid. We don't have at all a naturalistic way of talking even now.
In terms of using multiplicity of technique and other thing, and not make film which had like become very grammar bound, so that I suppose was a major achievement, you could say, of this.
And at the end, and this is quite important, I should say that in the mirror is reflected a small boy, and that is me.
Attempts then to think about what the conditions are that have created this, yes.
It's just that sound. And this man with his eyes closed will suddenly open. We hear the sound again. And this is exactly how music actually functions.
The first public congregation in the country where people sat together.
It's not there on the other side, it's only on one side. So this is a digital sound encoded, and it contains 6 channels, and it distributes it this way.
Etc. So this stood only in India, maybe in other places, but maybe in Malaysia, I don't know. But only in India, Advait is a prostitute.
Based on Punjabi rhythm from Dholak, sung by Sulochana Khattam. Shyam Sundar is the composer.
राजा समझते हैं, गरीब रहते हैं सारे कुछ. हाँ, it is precise.
तो शुगर लेके मेरे लिए?
नहीं, आपको चाहिए?
तरस रहा हूँ.
हाँ?
Rari ro, rari ra ra ro, rari ro, rari ra ra. And music. Okay, it's okay.
अब खिलाओ तो गई हो यार, केक कौन खाए?
वो तेरे को लाइट नहीं चाहिए?
लाइट के बिना ही काम चला रहा हूँ मैं.
मतलब नया फिल्म बना रहे हो? Let's play some melodrama on top of it.
Okay, we can melodrama with the cake.
Prakash, I will deconstruct the cake.
I think we better start eating. I don't think he's going to give us.
People here, we either think of film festivals as the ultimate, कि अच्छा आर्ट इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड्स मिले या यहाँ गई वहाँ गई, और we think of it with complete disdain कि अच्छा ये वही फेस्टिवल जाते हैं, ये बड़ा अपने आप को समझ रहे हैं फेस्टिवल फिल्म है, etc. It's neither. It's another platform. There are audiences there, like there are audiences here. If I would say, oh, these are the FA course people, you know, they are doing this. I mean, yeah, you have people from different walks of life who are interested in films and want to learn more, and you know, you will not only learn from films, you will learn from each other, you will make great friendships, you will talk about other things of life, because cinema is a reflection of life. How can you not discuss life if you want to discuss films? So similarly, when I go to all these festivals, whether it's interesting places like Istanbul or Greece, or whether it's, you know, just regular place like Singapore, New York, wherever, or it's Kerala or Hyderabad, I don't either overestimate the audience or undermine it. They're just more people, and in fact, the one thing that I felt after the release was that human emotions are so universal. When I made the film, I thought it's not going to go anywhere. I didn't even apply to any festival. I thought this film is only for Indians here because iski jo layers hain, jo nuances hain, the little symbols. I mean, how would they know what a taweez ka significance kya hai, ya bindi ka kya hai? You know, there's so many such references, or wali, or mazar, or whole lot of these things. How will they understand? You know? And I felt that this is not going to work anywhere else. The Toronto Film Festival people, because I've been there many times as an actor, they said that you're making a film, send a DVD. And I was like, okay, I will. And it got selected there, and one after the other, it started. And I realized that human emotions are universal. Human stories, human conflicts, human dilemmas, prejudice, division, separation, all these are such universal things that, you know, we can't say that this film then only Gujaratis should have seen, or maybe only people from Ahmedabad because it's shot there and it's for them. It doesn't. If we can relate to it, if a Malayali can and a Bengali can, similarly people in the world can, and that also has been something that I felt really happy about. No, see, first of all, any film is subjective. You see? Somebody came to me and said, it's so real that you feel you are in it. Somebody else, another journalist from Delhi, he said, कि ये इतना ज़्यादा रियल है ना कि डॉक्यूमेंट्री लगता है ना? कुछ लोग यहाँ कह रहे थे जैसे कि अब इतना ज़्यादा रियल का क्या मतलब होता है? तो इसीलिए फिल्म तो हमेशा सब्जेक्टिव रहेगी. आपने क्या किस तरह की फिल्में ज़िंदगी में देखी हैं, आपकी अपनी लाइफ हिस्ट्री क्या है, ये बहुत सेंसिटिव है. What is too sensitive, I don't know. You know, why is it about Hindu-Muslim? That's a choice of subject. That is what you are exploring.
And why not?
And why not? वो तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. If it's a love story, अच्छा, you're making another love story. 1,000 love stories have been made, another 1,000 will be made, and I probably will do that in my next film. So the thing is that it is not about right or wrong. First of all, there are no, in cinema and in any work of art, you cannot say this is right and this is wrong. It's your right and that is someone else's wrong.